Today the Smith family is in Spencer, North Carolina at the Transportation Museum of North Carolina. Here's the train we're going to ride at 3 o'clock. This is my son's first experience with trains, close up. Let's go see it, buddy. Look at those wheels, huh?
Yeah,
that's cool, huh?
Those are giant wheels.
Yeah, the giant wheels, they sure are. Smith family is waiting for the train ride. Boarding time is 2:45. Departure time is 3 o'clock. Very excited to get onto the train. Alright, the Smith family is almost going to board the train. It's almost boarding time. What car you want to ride on, Maya? Okay.
This is my favorite sport.
Okay. Tommy's first time on a train. Yay! Come on, buddy. The smallest member of the Smith family. Tommy is very excited to get his train hat and to ride the train. Say hi.
Hi.
Good job, buddy. I see it. All aboard. There it is, buddy. We got a good shot of it. Look at it, buddy.
Yeah.
See it? Look at that, huh? Wow. Oh, look at the Norfolk Southern. 1, 2. Right in the middle. That's cool, buddy, huh? Oh, look at that. Look at that train car, Tommy. Yeah, that's pretty cool, huh? Look at that one, huh? Oh, look at those real old train cars back over there, Tommy.
There's a plane.
Yeah.
It's a fire truck. What's that, Daddy? I see it.
There's the roundhouse. There's a lot of cool steam engines there we'll check out. See the old cars, buddy? Yeah. Oh, look at that. That's neat, huh?
Yeah, that's a
A crane, huh, buddy? So this is Spencer Freight Yard. The 2 tracks furthest away are the main line tracks. And what do you think, Tommy? You like it? You having fun?
Yeah.
All right. You having fun, Maya? Using the phone on our trip? Yeah. Gotcha. See the gondolas?
Yeah.
Right there. Look at that. That's pretty cool, huh? Yeah. Look at that, buddy.
You just do, Daddy.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Look at that, Daddy.
I see it.
You see it?
Uh-huh. You see it?
Look at that,
Family line
Daddy.
system. Yeah, it's cool, huh, buddy? Look at that. Look at that yellow caboose, buddy.
Hurting over there.
Yeah.
Go this way, Daddy. Now I'm gonna go this way.
Mm-hmm. We're gonna, oh, here's a good picture, good shot of the roundhouse.
This is the words.
See the roundhouse, buddy?
This is the one out.
Yeah, it's right there. Where's the old steam engines? They had steam engines here last time.
I see it.
Yeah, you see it?
Yeah, look up in Spain. Daddy.
That's pretty cool, huh? You can eat lunch out here. It's a lot of fun. If you live around here, come on out.
Allow locomotives or proceed until the train stops.
Oh, no one listened. Oh well.
Feel comfortable going down the stairs forward. Please
Let's go,
turn
buddy.
And go down backward like a ladder. This train
go,
ride
Smith
has been
family.
generated solely by volunteers.
Volunteers. The last train ride is at 3 o'clock. That's the last one. It's going back to the yard. The Smith family is hanging out by the car. We're going to go to the museum now. There's an old style car I believe you can ride around the parking lot. We ready to go to the museum? Ay, ay, ay.